top stories. Finance portfolio removed from Deputy CM, works power from TH Biswajit, culture of financial precedence proprietary to be imbibed. Myanmar delegates leave Manipur after India-Myanmar conference. And security forces bust KCP People's War Group's hideout, recovered huge cache of arms and ammunition. Hello, watching Times of Manipur English News, and now the news in detail. Manipur Chief Minister has vested the charge of the Department of Finance, including taxation and excise, public works and power departments with himself. In the wake of the financial situation prevailing in Manipur, an urgent cabinet meeting was convened yesterday and the cabinet authorized CM Biren to take all necessary actions to imbibe a culture of financial prudence and propriety in key government departments. The Chief Minister's Secretariat informed it through a release today. It said that consequently and as an interim measure, the Chief Minister has vested the charge of the Department of Finance, Public Works and Power departments with himself. It may be noted that the finance portfolio was earlier held by Deputy Chief Minister Y. Joy Kumar, while the Works and Power by T.H. Biswajit Singh. A thorough investigation of the sanction procedures and financial management would be conducted for all key departments, this release said. It further said that the government is committed to bringing a new phase wherein financial discipline will be hallmark of governance. The government also assures its employees that timely disbursement of salaries and benefits will not be impacted, the release mentioned. Meanwhile, the Manipur government has noted that huge amounts were withdrawn by public works and power departments during the period of March to May 2019, while Model Code of Conduct was in force. A three-member committee will immediately examine the details of funds withdrawn and the purposes for which they were intended. As per a separate release from the Chief Minister's Secretariat, Principal Secretary V. Wumlungmang is the chairman of the committee, while Commissioner-cum-Secretary Nidhi Kesarwani and Deputy Secretary W. Ajit Singh are the members of the committee. It will also examine large withdrawals by other departments and that all administrative secretaries and head of departments shall provide the required documents and information called by the said committee, the release said. Following the new development, CM Biren has held the portfolios of finance, power, public works, excise, taxation in addition to existing portfolios. Deputy CM Yumnam Joy Kumar holds the portfolios of science and technology, economics and statistics, civil aviation, while T.H. Biswajit Singh holds the portfolios of the rural development and Panchayati Raj, commerce and industries, administration reforms and training, information and public relations. The 13-member Myanmar delegation who took part in the recent three-day India-Myanmar conference on connecting India's northeast with northwest region of Myanmar roadmap for all-round prosperity hosted by Manipur at Hotel Classic Grande Imphal left Imphal today. On reaching the border town More, the delegation led by Chief Minister of Magwe region, Myanmar, Dr. Ong Mo, was warmly received by Deputy Commissioner of Tammu and immigration officials. Deputy Commissioner Tengnopal H. Rupachandra, Superintendent of Police T.H. Vikramjit, ADC More Rajkumar and Manager ICP Robin Gangte at Integrated Check Post at More. The delegation also inspected the immigration counter, conference hall and officer room of the integrated check post in the border town. They also had breakfast with representatives of Border Trade Chamber of Commerce. Later, the delegation left More for Myanmar.
This is the warehouse. So Myanmar truck will come, stop.
A combined team of National Investigation Agency NIA New Delhi headquarters, 6 Assam Rifles and Imphal East Commando busted a suspected hideout of the banned Kanglei Park Communist Party People's War Group and recovered a huge cache of arms and ammunition hidden in a forest located between New Salem and Ngaro Jingjing under Lamlai Police Station in Imphal East this morning. 1 AK-56 rifle, 3 magazines, 180 live rounds, 2 hand grenades, 2 pistols, 10 9mm live rounds, 4 live rounds of .38 camouflage uniform and several hunting boots were recovered during the operation. According to a police source, acting on a tip-off that a group of KCB People's War Group cadres who were involved in a recent incident wherein an oil tanker was attacked by opening fire along Imphal-Dimapur Road in Imphal in April 2017 was hiding arms and ammunition in their hideout. The combined team led by Deputy Superintendent of Police NIA Nishant Singh, Commandant of 6 Assam Rifles, Colonel A.K. Das and second in charge of Imphal East Commando MD Rajiv Khan launched a search operation at 6 a.m. in the area. After 4 hours of operation, the arms and ammunition, which were wrapped inside 3 plastic bags, were unearthed. The weapons were found hidden in a depth of 3 feet underneath, the police source said.
Is 6 Assam Rifle Sigi Apunba search operation Amatobune. NIA they assist Tobune, NIA Deputy SP Nishan Singh, Delhi, headquarter Dagi Lakpa Mohogi Pau Dagi, Sida search operation Amatobune. Aduga Hajik Pangiba arms and ammunition Mamse recover Tobune. Mase KCP People War Group Kinena Hai Mohena. I moi NIA gi custody da leiriba paikhomba haitare people war group ki oil tanker da nomai caption bagi mamang da thogdo ma thokhiu da madda chena ba khuchu khulai sing oi gane na moina hai.
Ningthaujam Sankar Singh, a personnel of 26 Assam Rifles posted at Khongjom, has been remanded to 10 days police custody. That is till 22nd June. Ningthaujam Sankar, who is suspected to have been involved in the escape made by KCP leader Thokchom Nando in the intervening night of 25th and 26th March this year from Janims, was presented before the Chief Judicial Magistrate Imphal East today. He was first examined on June 7th, during which he had disclosed that he frequently visited T.H. Nando at the hospital. General Secretary of Border Trade Chamber of Commerce More Surendra Singh Pathega has lamented that Border Trade Chamber of Commerce was not invited to any of the meetings which were held between the Indian government and Myanmar government, despite its immense contribution in maintaining a good trade relation between the two neighboring countries since long. He stated this during a press meet held at More today. He also mentioned that the president of Border Trade Chamber of Commerce, V. Shekhar himself, went to Myanmar and accompanied the Myanmar delegates to More for taking part in the recent Indo-Myanmar conference at Imphal. During the press meet, Surendra Singh Pathega also urged the state government to inform the organization about any meeting related to border trade in future.
Border Trade Chamber of Commerce feels disappointed that whenever any meeting is held in Imphal, we are neglected, and they never invite us for our views or suggestions. The traders of More are working at the ground level, and they understand what the Myanmarese customers want or require. Whereas organizations either from Guwahati or anywhere else, they are invited by the state officials to discuss about border issues, who do not know not anything about what is happening in the border. What I want to say is that requirements of the Myanmarese traders are understood by the traders in More. And another thing is that the president of the Border Trade Chamber of Commerce, Shri V. Shekhar, makes frequent trips to Myanmar to discuss border issues with the officials there. And they always invite the president of the Border Trade Chamber of Commerce for his views regarding border trade. Likewise, the Border Trade Chamber of Commerce would be very happy if the state government officials do not neglect us and always invite us for our views and discussions regarding border trade. I would be happy if they cooperate with us and we could offer valuable suggestions for them.
We'll take a short break. Stay tuned.
Manipur ki ahamba 24/7 cab service oriba lamjingba cab service na miyang ki seba da lejari apamba service khanbiyo economic rate rupees 15 per kilometer standard rate rupees 25 per kilometer, luxury rate rupees 55 per kilometer with base fare of rupees 40. Manipur ki district singi Maruoina, Senapati, Ukhrul, Churchanpur, Kakching, More, Chandela Chingbasing, Chatanabagisu, Ataba Mamalda book to Vibayaragani. Manipur ki Mapangi Lamsing, Haibadi, Guwahati, Shillong, Dimapur, Silchar na Chingbasing, Chatanabagisu book to Viyu, Loinana, Luhongba, Amadi Atopa Tabak Thorum ki Damaktasu, Akanaba discount Pizari. Hena Kupamaro ki Damak, contact to Viyu, Aikogi contact number 180010279559. Natraga 8794613154. Aikogi website www.lamjingbatomtv.com.
Nauka Hearing Aid Center. Kumja lising ama chawpan marifom doi ki hong chai kuntramanga hena Notice India ahan hearing aid clinic mo ne lereklaba Nauka gi info center ama hangjare TV ama phone gi konjel loinana nil khongum fam na tabang am dabi awaba mayok na dibna al koding mag wabi rugano Nauka Hearing Aid Clinic nga simak lenshin direktuna completely invisible water resistant ama di rechargeable oraba digital hearing aid hapiu tabang am gi pangalwala badom gi khang chana ba single power sa tambio ai khoi gi leifam di Nagamapal Main Road Phawai Sangmam Lekai near Community Hall. Mobile number na 6009541159.
Manipur ki ahanba private satellite channel Tom TV Times of Manipur Cable TV service athuba matamda hauziragani. Lamjingba group ki unit ama oiriba Tom TV Cable Networking Service ki distributor kharasu pamjai. Hena kupamaro gidamak Nagamapal Rims Road Nityananda Temple manakta laiba Lamjingba group ki corporate building natraga aikhoi gi mobile number 8132089758 asida contact tobirau. Khudong chaba se manghanbiganu. Fitness Arena, Fitness Unlimited, facilities available, combat cardio, steam room, aerobic, freestyle, dance workout, TRX functional, TRX rip trainer, TRX suspension trainer, nutrition, shower, towel service, locker, gym floor, boot camp, Muay Thai, yoga, cardio, etc. It is also an authorized distributor of imported supplements including Muscle Farm, Ultimate Nutrition, Gaspari, One Science, Granite and many more from Muscle House, India. Admission fee rupees 1,000 only. General category ki oina tha amada lupa chanipan, tha ahumda lupa lising aniga chama, tha taruk ki oina lupa lising mari, sahi ki oina lupa lising taruk ka chaunga. Dynamic Movement Training DMT ki oina tha ahumda lupa lising mapan, tha tarukta lupa lising taraga mga, sahi ki oina lupa lising Offer 40% discount for the first 20 members only for Dynamic Movement Training DMT. Khudong saba si lobina bagidamak ngasimak langsin biro Pulse Fitness Arena, Gobindazuri Road, Palace Compound, Imphal East. Aikhoi contact number 9711730877 amasong 038524411143.
Welcome back. A branch of Northeast Region Finance Services Limited was opened at Lumding in Thawal district today. During the event, 18 beneficiaries were provided financial assistance as part of small-scale microfinance. Managing Director of Northeast Region Finance Services Limited, K. James, who contested the 17th Lok Sabha election from Outer Manipur, Chairman of Northeast Region Finance Service Limited, Subhash, Social Worker Thongjam Rojen, and Social Worker Sana Shetri were the main guests on the occasion. K. James said that he, along with some of his friends, set up the Northeast Finance Services Limited with a small amount. It has completed 17 years and has many branches in several states across the country, he informed. Many people have been benefited from this company through micro and macro finance services. He further urged the loanees to repay the amount on time to avail a larger amount of loan in future.
Company si uji berasi impan ju kya lekle matang progress company adu thamai chendar badi matang tingdara ka so much impan ju pili ya lambi lei.
All Manipur Nupi Marub Wangkhai Area Committee has expressed unhappiness over the irregular supply of rice under National Food Security Act in Wangkhai area of Imphal East. At a press meet at Manipur Press Club today, Committee Secretary Y. Indrani claimed that Wangkhai has not been getting the benefit entitled under NFSA for 10 consecutive months. She said that the government has failed to give any positive response to a complaint over the matter.
Ching ji kari gi yendabno ching pio ji ching yam tange ching ke chupo phanda ke ji de lupa kuntha pi me te ching ni phu taru pi ching tangi ching ge lo haiba matamda ching gi kota je na haruna lo hre na ching gi yendabni hai adu re gadi na haruna bu ching gu sumaina lai re ba gi ching ji bu lorong gadra haiba da hangnaru so haiba na ching mai khoi da kaino tawi aduna haiba asigum ching si Naharona Lauribra, Sarkargi Mina, Manaraga, Jingi Nomini Duga, Minister Jing Emile Jing Manaraga, Yontoibra Hibena Jing Badu, Akoi Kangbangam Dramina, Medagi Kutanga, Marile Nebo Authority Yingjan Biu, I think I see Bridge Kimi Pamasi Pamjavani.
As part of the ongoing tobacco-free educational institutions drive, the District Tobacco Control Cell CMO Manipur in collaboration with Sangai Youth Free and Educational Organization under the aegis of State Health Mission and National Tobacco Control Program, Government of Manipur organized an awareness program on National Tobacco Program at Comet School and HRD Academy School today. 2 teachers were selected from both the schools who will take the responsibilities in making the surroundings of the schools free tobacco zones. Yellow lines were also put up within 100 meters in and around these schools to mark as free tobacco zone. During the program, various resource persons delivered speeches on drug abuse and its ill effects on the students. Several students also attended the event. President of Sangai Youth Tobacco Free Zone, Premjit Thokchom, said the program was held with an aim to spread awareness amongst the students, especially the younger generation, about the effect of drug abuse, which is punishable under the Section 3 and Section 6 of COPTA Act 2003.
Tobacco is harmful to the human body, but ngasi gi akhoi sensitize ngasi awareness kitang wat pamaram na aduna bu ngasi akhoi gi NGO mayam ama selected tawro matungda ngasi akhoi na school sangaga district sangaga akhoi na kitang effective oina bidam da kitang implementation se sathana bidam ngasi akhoi chathajari bani mainly oina aduga mainly tasengna akhoi gi section 6b da akhoi gi school gi akoi bada akhoi gi school gi 100 yard kimarong da akhoi gi tobacco product yon base selling tawse it is illegal. As per Korpagi Logi Matungina 203 Logi Matungina illegal.
Manowar Ali, a power line technician, has refused the recent allegations leveled against him by homemaker club Irong Chesaba Lekai that he, Manowar Ali, had collected money from consumers for repair of a snapped power transformer at the state locality. Manowar Ali today told Tom TV that the Irong Chisaba residents were informed to collect the requirements needed for repair of the transformer from the assistant engineer, but they did not do so. Ali clarified that he did not collect any money from the residents for the purpose and that the accusation against him was unfounded.
Transformer se nungai tere amutang check to view hybrid ki matung ina ai hana mechanics puraga chali mechanic puraga chatpa matamda IC yaubana IC do aipena jumper do haido aga IC check to matamda thawa la me busing amasung keban kaya atre adu aibata di nokoi ST city connection to khinu maramdi ट्रांसफॉर्मर से चाखीगनी ट्रांसफॉर्मर चाखरबी हयें अवाबो ओइगनी अदुगा थाव अमसुंग केबल बुशिंग सी लौब लापिरो थवांदा जो होय अरे हाइदना हाइहौरगा मखोइना लाकनी अइना फोन तवी तबुम सुं लाखिद्रे लाक्तबेगी मरम ओइना ईदसु अइना खंगहली ईना हाइबदा ईगा पुन्ना फमिनब मतुंगददी नुंगालगदी.
Time for a short break. Keep watching.
University Visakhapatnam da BSc Nursing amadi MSc Nursing in NPCC gidamak female candidates singna admission to bibi yaragani. Campus manungda masagi hospital leizaraba medical college ni. Room amada mahiroi ani khaktamak leiba lift facility yauraba amadi yamna hygienic oiraba hostel yauraba campus ni. MSc Nursing the admission fanglaba mahiroi singda tha khudingi stipend oina lupa lising tara fangani. Tuition fee structure BSc rupees 30,000 per year. Food and accommodation rupees 45,000 per year. First to fourth year same fees. MSc Nursing in NPCC fees rupees 1.5 lakh per year. Food and accommodation rupees 45,000 per year. Eligibility BSc class 12 pass physics, chemistry, biology and English 60% in aggregate. Manipur gi mahiroi singi oina entrance test yaudana direct admission tobiba yagani. Subnataki seat taramanga khaktani. Akupa marol gidamak contact tobirau Educare Zone near Bosem Babupara. Phone number 60090622261 natraga 87940262277.
Hello.
Hello. Pakhong ama chalake.
Chalu ne.
Chahi amagi plan tauge haradi.
Oh, phau pambi thabiyo.
Okay. Chahi taragi plan tauge haradi.
U pambi thabiyo.
Chahi chamagi plan di.
Ichabu afaba school da mahai tamhanbiyo.
Icha kaina afaba school haidi.
Lanai coaching tobugi awaba lehendaba. School du da dum changnaina coaching tohanba.
Mama paga chamanana warak watembi ba.
Gym, aerobic, dance, football thangta.
Mamang da 12 exam gi topper su putokhraba.
Khwaidagi chawba, nanba, khwaidagi phaba school.
Last pa khong. Kari school no.
Slopeland Public School Khongjom chumabra.
Chumme yam khangi ko.
Yes, only Slopeland Public School Khongjom.
Vigyo Institute of Management and Information Technology affiliated to Manipur University, Kanchipur. BBA amadi BCA gi oina chahi ahumgi dual certification courses 2019-20 gi damak admission hauzare. Coursing asi tambada DCA, Triple CA amadi Tally gi short term course ama lena tambagi khudong chabasu pizari. BBA amadi BCA gi oina lakliba July thadagi class hauzaragani. Adai khudong chabasing di state of art infrastructure, well furnished and equipped classrooms, qualified and well experienced faculties, visiting faculty from industry and academia, placement cell, computer lab with internet facilities, library, canteen, conference halls and playground. Akaknaba seat masingni amadi hostel gi facility su pizari. Prospectors amadi form gidamak lengsin birau Vimit Sangai Prau FCI Road opposite MSPDCL office Imphal West. Akupa marol gidama contact tobirau 700-561-3687 natraga 700-5845-205. Ekoigi website www.vimitimphal.com. Email vimitimphal@gmail.com.
Manipur University de affiliate tauba South Asian Institute of Rural and Agricultural Management Langsing Achoba Imphal West ki admission tauzari. Coursing adudi BSc Agriculture, BSc Horticulture, Bachelor of Business Administration BBA nupa amasung nupi gi hostel gi khudong chaba leijari. Akaknaba seat kharatani. Akupa marol gidamak www.sairam.org.in natraga phone number 7641929924 natraga 8258801014 natraga 9612812346 ta contact taubiu.
Admission is going on. Saraswati Institute of Management and Paramedical Science Pangai, opposite to 6 IRB MPTC Pangai Road, Imphal, Manipur. Notice ki oina ihan hana Saraswati Institute of Management and Paramedical Science Pangai na BSc Forensic Science course, Manipurda hangle mapalamda chatrabasu hayengma college cha lakpiduna admission tawbihoro akakna basitni
Lakle June Taraganipan, Kanglay Park, Manipur ki Mapari Mamom Lui Singna, Malay Park Kanjabagi Thawai Katkibanumit, Ning Sing Hali Ngasisu Adungay, Ing Kumja Lising Aniga Supna Amagi Todokto, Athoba Athobi Singna Yatakiba, Kanglagi Masai Gold, Kekrupat.
Hoglo, Hauru, Lebak Machasa, Kekrupat, Maikay Pang Lucy, Katuk Pagiwakalon, Chesil Halusi, Chahigi Tawal Taurusi.
Irechapum the Magna Saruk Yaminasi, 18 the Great June Uprising, Unity Day 2019, 18 June Leipa Popanumit, Kekrupat Infal.
Aujin Jaripa, Publicity and Invitation Subcommittee, Observation Committee 2019.
Welcome back. The 3-day-long first Northeast India National Level Coach and Training Workshop for Development of Sports Aerobics, Sports Fitness and Hip Hop concluded yesterday at the Jahir Dance Academy in Demo, Subsagar, Assam. The workshop was organized by Assam Sports Aerobic and Fitness Association, in which 12 instructors along with 40 players from all across the Northeast region took part. The Japanese government has decided to invest an amount of rupees 205.78 billion yen, equivalent to approximately rupees 13,000 crore in several ongoing as well as new projects in different states of the northeastern region. This was disclosed after a meeting between Donor Minister Dr. Jitendra Singh and a Japanese delegation led by the Ambassador of Japan to India, Kenji Hiramatsu, in New Delhi yesterday. Some of the important projects where Japan will make investment include Northeast Road Network Connectivity, improvement projects spread over Assam and Meghalaya, Northeast Network Connectivity Improvement Project in Meghalaya, and Biodiversity Conservation and Forest Management Project in Sikkim. U.S. Secretary of State Michael Pompeo hinted that it was possible to reinstate the Generalized System of Preferences, a program for preferential access to certain goods markets in the U.S. for India. Pompeo is expected to discuss this as well as 5G network technology and data localization while in New Delhi later this month on a visit. He said US is open to dialogue and hopes India will drop the trade barriers and trust the competitiveness of India's companies, businesses and private sector companies. In addition to GSP, data localization, regulations and proposed policies have been a source of friction between the two countries, he added. Now time for the top newspaper headlines.
The Shanghai Express. Overdraft of rupees 274 crore returns to haunt state government. Ban put on transactions, appointments. Triple Talaq bill to be introduced in upcoming parliament session. Power struggle gains momentum. 17 MLAs petition Prime Minister, party president to replace Biren. The People's Chronicle. Overdraft burden to ease June 21st. No salary effect. State Cabinet pins hope on experts to resolve crisis. 14 BJP MLAs, 3 ministers lobby for new chief minister. GDCSO draws government attention on vacate threat. IPSA for settlement of district issues. Organic pineapple processing unit inaugurated. Imphal Free Press. State faces over rupees 274 crore overdraft, puts on hold all recruitments. Myanmar media group to collect folk music of Northeast India. Villagers reaffirm stand against mega food park construction. Association demands government to return back donated land. Civil body to reclaim villages. AR personnel charged with supplying mobile phone to KCP Nando re-arrested.
Now, before we wrap up, the top stories once again. Finance portfolio removed from Deputy CM, works power from TH Biswajit, culture of financial prudence, propriety to be imbibed. Myanmar delegates leave Manipur after India-Myanmar conference. And security forces bust KCP People's War Group's hideout, recovered huge cache of arms and ammunition. Well, this is all for now. Keep watching Times of Manipur.